Hello, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I will show you how to record a voice on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's get started. Whether you're looking to get into the podcast game, want to record your music, do some freelance voice work, or create voiceover for a product demo, you can rest assured your Mac can handle it. All you have to do is try out the various tools at your disposal and pick the ones that brings you the best result while not being too much or a hassle handle. So, on MacBook, you can record your voice using voice memos. So, how to do it? Very simple. So, first, you can just open your voice memos. You can open your voice memos app on your MacBook. So, in here, you can record your voice by clicking on the record button in here. And you can just start talking. You can start recording your voice like this. After that, after you finish, you can just stop it. This button to pause. And if you already done, you can just select on done. Or if you want to hear your voice recording before you save it, you can just select in here. You can just start talking. You can start recording your voice like this. So that is. And if you want to edit your voice, you can select in here. And in here, you can trim, you can cut your voice recording. Like this. I want to trim this. And after that, after you finish, you can just select on save. So it's very simple, right? So it's done. So that is how to voice record, how to record your voice on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.